What's in this bag is going to protect this car. Here's an update for the Farasla Tesla 3 cover. I've got a 2021 model. I've had this for about a year. It's worked very well. It's very high quality, keeps out the moisture, keeps out the wind. It's a very snug fit. That's the main thing. It is just as snug as can be. The wind cannot blow this thing off, believe me. So it's, again, high quality, very easy to put on. The side mirror covers, again, snug fit all the way to the back. And then what's very nice is we've got access to the charge port. So I really can't say enough about this cover. It's perfect for us. We live on a mountain ranch. There's a lot of dirt, a lot of grime, and it keeps that nice paint job looking good on the Tesla so that when I drive it in town, it looks like a town car.